volcanoes, mountains, national parks, rivers and waterfalls, virgin beaches in the Pacific Ocean, forests and tropical forests, all fascinating landscapes. The amazing thing is that they are so close to each other, and in these places, there's a group of people waiting for you to spend unforgettable days. Northwest of Costa Rica, canton of Guanacaste, 20 kilometers from the border with Nicaragua, 65 kilometers from the Liberia International Airport. A dot on the map points to a small city, La Cruz. A few minutes from there, in the small town of Santa Cecilia, is El Bosque Nuevo. A group of almost 20 people dedicated to a butterfly farm, a biological research center, and the realization of unforgettable ecological tours throughout the year. Our guest house receives innumerable visitors from universities and institutions from all over the world, as well as lovers of ecological tourism. In the rustic and comfortable house in the middle of the jungle lives groups of up to 15 people with food and internet access. The farm is a beautiful butterfly farm where you can witness its breeding and metamorphosis. This activity allows El Bosque Nuevo to generate genuine work within the community and to export offspring of more than 80 species to various butterfly farms and nurseries throughout the world. Incredible biodiversity surroundings allow visitors to develop their biological research hand in hand with nature or simply enjoy it. The fauna is varied. Different species of toucans, howler monkeys, more than 900 different species of birds are offered for birdwatching. The nearby beaches of the Pacific Ocean offer relaxing fishing, snorkeling, kayaking, or diving. There are many ways to relate to nature. The new forest has grown to achieve this stay and research center of 420 hectares with the contribution of all our visitors and butterfly buyers, since 100% of the profits are reinvested in acquiring property for their protection and afforestation, as well as in the development of the butterfly farm and the research center. We wait for you. We invite you to be a part of the adventure of preserving Earth.